This is another beautiful yellow combination with the really stunning dark brown border. It's not a black, but it may look like that because it's a dark brown, and it has a nice mango buttas on the border with the Meenakari work. I'm going to open and show you guys how stunning this piece is. I'm in love with this yellow. Okay, so this is the mundana. Look at the mundana. Meenakari work, everything is in orange and stuff with the dark brown. So here you would be able to see the brown, and the blouse is brown as well. And let me put this on to show you guys how this piece looks when you drape it. Okay, look at this. Look at this yellow.